Hey guys, this is Mason here with Carns Equipment. Right here in front of me is a 2025 Kayo Predator 110. Great future with these is there is a tether for the young riders. Hook them up. If anything happens that pulls out, kills the ATV. With that being said, this little fob here is for parents. So if they get a little hairy carry with the throttle, you can shut them off. With that being said, this is a carbureted machine. Now this particular model, you do have a shifter on the left side for reverse, neutral, and forward, but otherwise it is a automatic. Great for beginners, a really good step up from the 70s. So, you know, the youth riders that are looking to progress up forward, this is a solid machine. It does have LED lights, which is very nice. So visibility, in my opinion, is a must. But check it out at carnsequipment.com or give us a call at 814-765-5684.